What's going on, my Litecoin family? I've got some really good news for you guys. So if we go straight to my Discord, so as you can see yesterday, we posted a few trend analyses. And yes, I did say analyses. So first of all, we placed this trade. What I was looking for our short trade, we set up a buy limit, which actually went beautifully. Trying to find where exactly it was. Here's some. I think I just posted in some of my signals. And literally, we came down and we smashed it absolutely perfectly. So as you can see, our second trade was right here. We put a buy limit at this top right here, at this EMA. As you can see, our red EMA. And it's actually come down very nicely. And then we put another trade into that trade again. So I'll show you guys that on Bitcoin right now, just very quickly. So we literally smashed 2 days in a row of trading, doing literally absolutely nothing. And obviously, I put in another scalp trade, which is this smaller box, which is obviously, it's not in profit yet, but the stop loss is well protected by the EMAs. So I do believe this should start coming downwards and we should get a lot of profit. But yeah, the good news, guys, you ready for it? So so you know that £5 Patreon membership where you guys get access to Discord, it's going to be free, okay? It's going to be a free membership. So any of you who want to join the Discord, the general chat, and talk to crypto like-minded individuals who are looking to get started, looking to trade, looking at when to buy Litecoin or other cryptocurrencies, join the link in the description below for the Discord, and you guys will get access into the literal general chat only. So you guys will see other channels there like trend analysis, signals, forex signals, trading charts. But you guys will only have access to the general chat. That's still brilliant because you guys it's free, and you guys can talk to me. You guys can talk to other community members who are interested in Litecoin and other similar cryptocurrencies. And it's just a nice way to start learning about crypto, looking at charts, talking to people who are brilliant at trading as well. And it's just like a nice way to start getting better at trading. But as you can see right here, I would actually enter a trade here, simply because we've broken out of our bearish pattern. We had a fake out to the upside, and I was retesting the EMAs. I would literally enter a beautiful trade right here. Short position. I'd smash a trade right on here. A little bit of a riskier trade, but your stop loss can be really small, and you can target all the way down here. That is a beautiful trade, and plenty get forward 500% right there. See, just like that. So let me just, okay, I'll mark that for the Discord members after, but that's what I'll be trading. But yeah, that's what I'm looking for. But on the weekly time frame, more importantly, so we can see, and I said to you guys, if this closes today at looking something like this, we're definitely going to come down lower. And it looks that way simply because this shows a big rejection to the upside. Like, it shows that, okay, we can't get above any of these support levels right here or right here. See what I'm coming from? It shows that we tried our best to get above these levels and we fell back down. So what does that show? It shows that the bears are in the lead. Okay, it shows that the bulls failed, the bears are winning. So it doesn't start coming down more because the bears have won. That's why it starts to show a lot of retail traders, a lot of institutional traders. Okay, let's wait for the market to come down, or let's start selling the bags that we bought over here because this candle's showing up here, and it'll drop us down even below, and then they'll buy up here and they'll sell up here and crash the market even further. That's how they trade in bear markets. It seems very simple. It seems like, oh, they don't do that, but they do that. Trust me, 100% they do that. They buy in the most simplest way possible, and the retail traders overthink it. So us retail, we think, nah, we'll get stopped out here. Let's put our buy limits here to short, and it doesn't happen. Like, this main support is where it goes to. The institutional investors that have this on their charts, these big channels, and they bounce off them. They trade off these lines. They were buying up below here. Why? Because it was a discount. Anything below this line is a discount, and that's why I told everyone to buy here. And we went straight up to $78 after that. And literally, you can see that here. We went straight back up. Bang! It was a massive trade. So a lot of, if you know what you're doing, you know how to trade these charts, you can make literally a packet of money. But right now, is this head and shoulders playing out? Well, you can't really see it on the daily. On the daily, you can just see similar sort of lines. It's kind of similar to Bitcoin in a little way, but Bitcoin's price deceleration, the candles were a lot smaller like this. It was ridiculous. But here on the daily chart for Litecoin, they're a bit more ranged out, and which is, you quite expect that, because obviously it's an altcoin, and the percentage range changes a lot more because it's a lot more volatile. So you can see that, but you can overall see that we're kind of staying in the same price range. So we're kind of looking for that big move up or that even bigger move downwards. just like we had before we were touching the EMAs up here. Let me get rid of this line up here. Like we had that little dance off with the EMAs, and then we had a big move down. So we're kind of looking for that again. We've been trading sideways in the EMAs. So we're either going to have a big move up, guys, or a big move down. And I think it's going to be a big move down, depending on this weekly close. So yeah, we have to always look at that. We are a little bit bullish. I do have to say that. Like, I'm only anticipating this another move down. And simply because you usually get 3 touches at the bottom. Okay, we'll take it. This is 3 touches right here. 1, 2, and 3. And then you see a bigger move up. And this is bullish pattern right here. It's a falling flag right here. And this is actually bullish. It'll come down. And then you start to come back up. That's what would actually play out. And this will actually potentially form under a double top. And then that could be the big catalyst to send us downwards a lot more. So you have to think about the long term. That could play out like that. That could be the way to actually get us down. Because like, look at the price difference. It's about $9. And that would literally send us below this line, which could start a catalyst for us to start falling down to 40. So you have to look out for all confluences, guys. That's what's important if you're trading these markets. But that's what I do believe looking for. And if you guys are wondering, okay, so Ben, like, what are you saying? Do we buy now or do we wait? Personally, what I'm telling my crypto community members is that if you are holding a massive bag and you're okay with taking a small loss, sell maybe 20% of it off, 20% of it off, and then just hold that cash. And when we come down, start buying then. Then your money, it will earn you more coins. Even if you took a bit of a loss, you've still made it back because you've bought back cheaper and you've earned more coins. To say instead you had 1,000 coins, yeah, which I know is really hard to do, but 1,000 coins and at 20%, so you're left with literally 800 coins. But if you buy back down here, you get, instead of having 1,000 coins total, you literally have 1,080. That 80 coins could literally be a big difference in profit. So you have to, guys, have to think little like that, but try and increase your overall holdings rather than look for the short-term dollar value. That's what you have to look at in these bear markets. You don't look at the dollar value because we all know that the dollar value is going to decrease in a bear market overall if you're hodling and dollar cost averaging at different price ranges, okay? But dollar cost averaging is the best way, guys. Trust me, 1,000%. I'll guarantee that to you guys. But yeah, that's what I'm looking for right now. But if you are waiting to like sell off your money, like if you do have 1,000, let's say, and you're looking to sell off in a bit of profit, let's say you entered at $65, can we get there again? We can get there again. It will be a little bit difficult because the EMA is literally at 65. So we need to get above these key resistance zones first. If we do see a nice breakout of this channel right here, then we can definitely start to see a 66, and then you can sell off and then wait for it to come down lower. Like, I've obviously been buying at $80, $90, but I'm trying to accumulate a big bag, literally at right here at this $41 range. Because I said to you guys, I told you guys exactly when I was buying in. When we were up here, everyone was calling me an idiot, right around this region. I said we're going to come down to 80, and everyone's like, nah, we're not going to come down to 80. We haven't been there in years. And look what happened. We smashed through it. So, you know, it's what it is. But yeah, I'm waiting for this range to come, and then I'll accumulate heavy, because that's where you'll get the nice 10x price ranges. Did I just see a big move down? Ooh, nearly. Okay, so we're testing the EMAs now. So this trade could be a brilliant trade, or it could be a quick one where you just lose money. But it looks like it'll be a very nice trade. I might move my stop loss a little bit higher just to protect it a bit. And then obviously, as soon as we get into profit around here, I'll move my stop loss to about here, so it's in profit. So risk-free and profit-free. So like always guaranteed profit. That's how you trade, guys, in these markets. You always get profits quite fast. But yeah, big thank you to you guys watching. In the description down below, like I said, join the general chat, talk to me, talk to crypto members, talk to like-minded LITECOIN investors. So I want to see all you LITECOIN supporters jumping in that general chat and talking to me about what you think price are going to do. It'll be a good, nice little community. So yeah, let's get that going, and I'll see you guys there. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Smash that like button. Peace.